Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you this look that I created using the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. I'm showing you another look. I'm going through the steps that I usually do briefly for a detailed description and look at how I apply my foundation, contour, and setting powder and eyebrows. There are other videos that you can watch that I have, of course. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, leave me a like, make any suggestions. I'm here, I'm open. Thanks for coming by. In a couple seconds, I'm going to get right into it and show you the colors that I'm going to be using. First color I'm going to be using from the palette is called Go All Night. So I'm going to go in with this color called My Type, and I just use it as kind of a neutral. So I use it for the blending between my natural skin tone and the Go All Night color. So darling, I'm going to be using my P. Louise base. I actually started to do like a sunset look, and I decided I didn't like that, just a crease in the middle, so I changed it to a full cut crease. So this color is called Halo Effect, and it's a pretty iridescent glitter. So I'm going to now go in with Flirt Alert, and I'm putting that in between the Go All Night and the Halo Alert. Effect, not alert, effect. Next, I'll go in with a glitter liner from Mika K Cosmetics. This is the Eco line. So today's highlighter of choice is Trophy Wife. Trophy Wife is a longtime favorite of mine. You know, a tiny bit of this product goes a long way. Next, I'm going to go in and highlight some areas with the color called Beam. And you can see what this color is doing and how it does it, honey. No explanation necessary. Under my brows, my forehead a little bit for my photos. That's how I'm going to be using this color today. It. Put on my eyeliner, and then I'm going to go back in with the gold glitter liner and line right underneath my black liner. Baking a little bit, you know, baking a snack. Put on my eye mascara and highlighting a little bit more. I'm going in with my Fenty all-time favorite. Yes. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all the products that I used to create this look. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Bye.